This is room 11155 on the MSC Seashore. When you walk in to the left, you have 3 hooks to hang coats or hats or whatever you want on there. This is an interior stateroom. Walk straight ahead, see the bed. Turn to your right. You have your do not disturb sign or the make up your room sign. You have to stick your key card in the door for the electricity. There's your lights. You can your main switch for all the lights in the room. Then you come over and here's your bathroom. This bathroom is super tiny. It is small but efficient, but it is small. So you walk straight in. You have your nice mirror. Hello. You have a sink. Under here is your cabinet. You have your trash can. Extra toilet paper. You have a couple shelves to put your toiletries. Up here, you have your washcloths. They don't automatically put washcloths in your room, so make sure you ask your room steward if you need some. Your toilet, your shower. The shower is super compact. There's not very much room to move around in there, FYI. Then when you come out the bathroom, you have your heating and cooling. Just turn down or up. Your switch for the bathroom is below that. I will say that it stays cooler in an interior room than it does on the balcony. So then I'm turning over to the left. Have a big, there you go, put it in a little bit. A big mirror on the desk area. Under there you have your trash can. It's split into 3. You have a section for your plastics, your paper, and your food. You have a seating bench under there. You have a telephone. You have a nice area to put your stuff. Ice and cups. 3 drawers. If you're looking for the hair dryer, it's going to be in your first drawer right here. I had to store some other papers in there out the way. Then over here is your mini bar. It is stocked full with stuff. Do not drink out of here unless you're prepared to pay for it. Then you have your bed area. On both sides you have reading lamps and switches, light switches. And then on the other side of the bed you have your USB cord outlet. And then you have your storage benches on both sides. You have some beautiful paintings on both sides of the bed. One there, one there. Then you have a nifty little seat right here in front of this big giant mirror. The mirrors do make the room seem bigger. Then you have your closet space. Let's see, is this as small as it can go? Here we go. Almost look like it's 2 because it's reflected from the mirror. There's your closet. On one side you have your hanging space. Hangers. I have my suitcase and my backpack down there. Since it's just me, I put them both in there. I usually put my suitcase under the bed. But since Kidup's not here with me, I just put it all in there. Then you have shelving over on this side. There's the 2 towels that they gave us to use at the pool and on the island and such. Then you have your safe, more shelves, and then you have 2 drawers down there. All this is soft closed, so that's nice. And that's about it. Oh, your TV. You have a few channels that you can watch for free. They also have video on demand if you want to purchase anything. But that's it. This is the room. Let me swirl around. It's a small one this time. And that's it. That was the room tour for 11155.